look who I got. Yay!
We're having our awesome dinner in Thailand. This is phase one. And when is this?
Here, look at this. There's just street after street after street. We're at Cat Kunka. No, that's thank you. We're at Cat Atmosphere.
So Sunday morning. It's Easter Sunday. We're at the Cat Cafe. What's this kitty's name again?
From coffee, but look at this Cat Cafe. Look at that.
And is it at night or is it
Cooper. Beauty parlor at Nikki's place, and we're just treating some beautiful girls, and you know we're finding some lice, but very happy to help, and they're so sweet and grateful. It's wonderful. I know, Angel. She didn't have anything. That's Avis, the head of Nikki's place. Look at her. Time. So cute. Look how cute it is.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we just want to thank Avis and Nikki's Place, Agape. It's been amazing. We were able to check about maybe 60 of your amazing, beautiful children, and we treated maybe about 40. And I really want to thank Lauren too. And it's been awesome. Thank you. We hope to come back. Thanks. You're so cute. Bye-bye. Oh, baby, with Lola, delivery stuff.